Hello my friend, welcome back to VietManager. Today I will explain to you about work instruction standard in quality management system. Firstly, I would like to show an example to you. I have a production line. Also, I have a box as position A. My job is move the box from position A to position B. How I can do this job? I will use a robot. With the robot here, you know that the robots have two main parts. Firstly is the robot's hardware or the body. The second is the software that can control the movement of the robot. And here is the all activities of robots in this action. From home position, the robots will move to the box at position A, then clamp and move the box to position B, and finally it will drop the box as B. Then as B here will be finished the activity of the robot. So when the robot finishes on activity here, we call it one cycle time. So as you know that with the robots here, because they have the hardware and the software, so the robots can do same action with many cycle time. For example, 1 million times. Because the robots do same on cycle, so it will make a stable process and the result will make the stable quality. Now, if I do not have the robot, it means I need to do the action by man. And also the man has the body, or same as the robots we can call it the hardware. Next, the man has the smart or software. And here is the action of the man. Firstly, the man will move to the box A. Then he will pick up the box A. Also, he will move to position B. Then drop the box as position B. And after drop the box here, he will finish his job. Also, we call this action is one cycle time. The question now is, what happens if the man do this action 1 million times? The answer is the man cannot keep stable process. So it can lead to NG quality. Now, how we can keep stable process for the man? We need using work instruction standard. So, what is a work instruction standard? We have the definition here. Work instruction standard is a checklist that will record all action of one cycle time, and all action here must be approval. Then everyone must follow this standard during they are working. Next, what are advantages of WI? We have some advantages as below. Firstly, WI support us to keep stable process. It means you make stable quality. For example, you can change the current man to a new man because the current man they are quick job. But with the new operator here, you will conduct training WI to the new member. So quickly, just a short time, the new member can do the job same as old member here. Secondly, because your stable quality, so it will become good quality. And if good quality, it will support you to reduce cost. Because if you have a product here, and this product is NG, it means you will lose a lot of things. For example, material, time of production, salary for operator, and so on. And the third here, WI will support you to Kaizen or improvement action to reduce weight. For example, before improvement, here is your work instruction step. Step 1. With the box at position A, move to B. Then finally, move to C position. But after you improvement, because you found that no need to keep B action here, you will reduce B. Now your WI only keep the final process A and C. That is why you will reduce weight. The next question is how we develop a work instruction standard. Here are some steps can support you to develop the work instruction. Step 1. You need to develop WI standard format. Step 2. You need to declare step by step on activity in one cycle time. For example, we have here is step, and to do the job one cycle time, we have step 1, step 2, and step 3. If we do on step 1, 2, 3, we will receive a good product or finished goods product. Next, come to step 3. You need clearly content of each step. For example, at step 1 here, the content of this step is pick up the box A. Step 2, the content is move to B position. And step 3, drop the box at B, then finish. So after finish step 3 here, we move to step 4. Step 4 content is indicates quality, safety, efficiency, or any important key point, and the reason why we need to do and why we need to follow on the key points here. For example, during you pick up the box A, the quality key point is you need to pick up as both sides of the box. For example, your hand, left hand here, and right hand here. And next, in step 2, if no any key point, you can input not available. And the step 3, here we have the quality key point that you need to slowly drop the box, because if you drop too fast, the box can be broken. So, conclusion at step 4, you already indicate the quality key point. Also, you show to the operator why they need to do this quality, because if they not follow this quality key point, the box can broken. After finish step 4, we move to step 5. In step 5 here, you need clearly tune personal protective equipment to safety work. For example, with step 1 here, pick up the box A, you will using a tool is clamp, and during you move to B position, you need using forklift something. So with the step 5, we already done for clearly tune or other thing to support you do this action. Now move to step 6. In the step 6, you need to clearly picture to support for step 3. For example, at step 1 here, during you pick up the box, you need have a picture so actual, and your picture here will show the key point that the operator must be take the box here. During when you move to B position, maybe you can show the layout. For example, position A here, move to B here, so the operators they can easily understand. Or at step 3 here, during you drop box at B, you can also show on the B layout. For example, here is the B rack. An operator must put the box on the rack here. So with the step 6, you already add picture to support more for your content at step 3. Now we move to step 7. The content is we will conduct tryout. Why we need tryout? Because we need to improve WI, work instruction, or reduce weight. Finally, after finish improvement, no more improve, you will approve the WI. For example, you will approve here. We clearly job role by who PIC, and only after all PIC approval, the work instruction standard will become official, and all member, all operator must follow this work instruction standard during they are working. And here on the content of today, I already sharing to you what is work instruction standard, what are advantages, and how to build up a work instruction. I hope that it can support you to do your work become better. Thank you so much.